In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a map view in a Notion database. To get started, open the Notion database that contains the items you want to display by location. This could be anything from travel spots and client visits to properties, events, or saved places. The key is that your database already includes entries that can be connected to real-world locations. Once the database is open, the next thing you need to do is add a location property, sometimes called a place property. This gives Notion the information it needs to place each item on a map. If your database does not already have a field for location, create one and make sure it is set up specifically for places rather than just plain text. That way, Notion can recognize addresses and map them correctly. After that, go through your database items and enter the correct location for each one. Be as accurate as possible here. A complete address or clearly recognized place name will usually give the best results. If a location is too vague, it may not appear where you expect on the map. Taking a little extra time at this stage will make the map view much more useful later. When your locations have been added, create a new database view. This lets you look at the same information in a different format without changing the underlying database. When prompted to choose a view type, select Map View. Notion will then generate a visual map using the location property from your entries. Now take a moment to review the map and confirm that each item appears in the correct location. This is an important step because it helps you catch mistakes such as incomplete addresses, misspelled place names, or entries linked to the wrong location. If something looks off, you can go back to the database item, adjust the location, and then check the map again. Once everything is showing properly, you can organize the map view to make it easier to use. Apply filters if you want to display only certain items, such as a specific type of place or a certain status. You can also use colors or categories to visually separate items and make the map easier to scan at a glance. This is especially helpful if your database contains many entries and you want the map to stay clear and organized. That's the full process for turning a Notion database into a useful map view. With accurate location data and a few simple organization options, you can make your database much more visual and much easier to explore.